I'm here today to present the recipe for Sicilian frittedda. Ingredients for 4 people. 3 artichokes, 300 grams of fresh beans, 300 grams fresh peas, 1 red onion, 1 clove of garlic, 1 sprig of parsley, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and the vegetable stock. We'll prepare our ingredients. We cleaned the ingredients. We removed the outer leaves artichokes as we cut him and put in water and lemon. We cut the onion. We clean the garlic. Here beans and fresh peas. You see, are very beautiful. Let's go in the kitchen to continue our recipe. We put the oil in the pan until it covers the entire bottom. Add the onion and the garlic. And let's stir fry for 10 minutes. We remove the artichokes from water and lemon. Add the beans and peas. Bake for 10 minutes. We add a little pepper. The total time of cooking of the recipe is about 30 minutes. We add a few tablespoons of vegetable broth and artichokes. We add more vegetable stock and cook for 20 minutes. Cover with a lid and cook. As already said, we must cook for 30 minutes in total. Our recipe is almost ready. Add to last a bit of parsley and pepper to taste. Turn off the heat. It's all ready. We are ready to prepare the dish for our Sicilian frittedda. Add the extra virgin olive oil. To all good appetite.